So how many she got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 already shed off, and she's only used a minute. As you can see, Amanda's got Dorey lying there, ready to be called into service when needed, and Amanda's just letting them free flow the direction they want. Sort of a form of manipulation, you know, like a Grand Southern Belle, how she gets them to do what she wants without them knowing that they've been manipulated. See that one with the collar? Amanda kind of pointed at it and said, no, 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 no. This is not the direction you want to go in. Oh, good idea. I don't think I'll go there anymore. Okay, but all the while she needs to see if the leader is going to be going out of the ring. Doesn't want that. She's saving Dorey to take care of the back. Amanda comes around and takes care of the one thinking about getting out of the ring. She hasn't really lost any points. So we want to be able to achieve this shed with the most number of points left. And although Maria did get her shed, she had been out of the ring several times. She had several collared sheep get back with the uncollared sheep, and so she would have had quite a few deductions. But the bonus was that she did manage the job and she got to her pen. Amanda running around trying to make sure they don't go out of the ring, and Dorey doing a fantastic job of covering the side that Amanda can't be on. She said, no, 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 I want all you sheep to be here. And look at that. Meanwhile, 3 more sheep come off the outer side. And Amanda says, Dorey, don't you get those? Those are the ones we want off. Here's one. Dorey's watching, and Amanda doesn't want her to watch that one. She wants that to go off. See? Beautiful, beautiful. Hey, baby. That's not easy to train for. That is good stuff there. Dorey's like, make my day. Don't come past me. I wonder if she actually knows about the red collars. That Dorey is fine. I've got one of her pups. I'm proud to say I have one. I've lost count, and I can't see on the other side of the pen how many we've left, but we don't have very many left to go. Maybe 2. Maybe 1. 2. Beverly told me 2. And look at all the time left. Lots of time. There's one. Oops. Dorey has been special since she was a puppy. She started working sheep at about 6 weeks of age and has been a star ever since then. Oh my goodness. I think that's it, guys. And look at all this time. Amanda's going to walk over while Dorey keeps watch on these 5. She's going to try and get these sheep away from the edge of the shedding ring so they don't call the sheep she's trying to pen. She's got all the time in the world. Get them out of sight. All the time in the world. Checking to see if Dorey's still on the job. There we go. Those sheep are happy, grazing. Amanda's going to walk over and win this trial. I saw Dorey this morning. She told me she's going to win this trial. But Beverly and Joe are going to do their best to stop it. So will the rest of the competitors. Amanda, of course, is runner number 11. And we've got John Palmer, Beverly Lambert, Mish Ferraro and Linda Tesdall are all going to try and best this run. Of course, the sheep have been known to be difficult to put in the pen, but Dorey has quite the command. We've got one thinking about trying Dorey. Look, waving her head. It doesn't bother Dorey. She says, look, step forward and you're going to move off. Look at that. Good idea. Oh, look at that skippy jump, like victory jump. And Dorey doing a nice clean flank around there. If she'd have been tight flanked, she could have chased that sheep around the pen, but oh no, she saved it swiftly. And plenty of time, plenty of time. So Amanda is just giving Dorey the confidence she needs, staying steady. Amanda has about 150 sheep and all the lambs that go with them. Dorey does farm work, invaluable on the farm. But she's been locked up for a week because she's been in season and we don't want any unsolicited encounters. And maybe she's a little fresh because she hasn't been getting the exercise she's accustomed to. We do have that one sheep just swinging its head at Dorey. Dorey doesn't like that. Temper, temper. She is allowed to take up for herself, but we don't want to risk anything. So Amanda's thinking, I got plenty of time. Let's just be patient and see if that sheep doesn't turn wise and turn around and walk to the back of the pen. The wind is blowing on the gate. The gate's rolling forward. So Amanda's gathering up the rope. There's Dorey saying, no, 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 you're not going to skip by my side. That's Amanda's side over there. This is my side here, and you're not going by my side. Meanwhile, the sheep, the discarded sheep are starting to roll out on the hill. These sheep haven't seen it yet. Dorey is really showing some good patience here. Practically nose to nose. Not very many dogs can do that. And standing on her feet. A lot of dogs, you can only stop by having them lie down. And of course, being closer to the ground, they have less effect. Look at that dog. She's take a little jump here. And now we got sheep moving out of the mouth of the pen. But still plenty of time. Amanda's voice getting a little more excitable because, of course, she wants this pen. It's no longer a full point pen, but still worth quite a few. There we go. I doubt she even needs this pen to be in first place, but she's got Beverly, and she's got John Palmer, and she's got Linda Tesdall and Mish Ferraro to follow, and she can't be sure that this is good enough. Amanda's always said, who remembers who's in second place? So we have several of them now trying to stand up to Dorey. Amanda trying to reach around and help Dorey as much as possible, but she can only reach around so far. I'm glad she had all this time because she's sure needing quite a bit. Remember, she started out this pen with 10 minutes. We hardly ever have this kind of time for a pen. She's reaching around, trying to get that crook around in front of that sheep's head so she can help get it in the pen. Now, please don't applaud until that pen is shut because you might spook them out. There, now you can do it. Excellent, excellent, excellent. 5 minutes left, just showing off there. 5 minutes to go, yay. And we're going to get that score for you as soon as we hear it.